Hey there, welcome to my channel. You are in the right place if you want to learn Android. Hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload anything new. So today we are going to learn how to open a new activity from a button click. Start a new empty activity. Click Finish. After clicking Finish, the Gradle sync will start. Now open the XML page and change the constraint layout to relative layout. To make the activity look beautiful, I am here changing its background. If you want to know how to do that, link is in the description below. Now, add a text view here and set its width and height to wrap content. Type whatever you want. Here, I am customizing the text by changing its size, color, style and font. Set the text size to 50 SP. Keep the text bold and use monospace font for a better look. Look how I centered the layout in its parent. Assign an ID to this text view. Now create a button. The user will click this button to navigate to another activity. Let me set a background image here. If you want to know how to do that, link is in the description below. Set its width and height. Now place the button just below the text view. Look how I am doing that. Now I am assigning this button an ID. An ID is used for defining a resource. After assigning an ID, we need to set a onClick listener to this button. It will show an error. Click on the error and select Create Button View in Main Activity. This will automatically create a new method in Main Activity. When a user clicks that button, this particular method will be triggered. That's because of that onClick listener. Now it's time to create a new activity. It is very simple. Look. Just right-click App in the Project section, then select New, select Activity, and start an empty activity. Rename and click Finish. Now you will see two activity opens up, Main Activity 2.java and Main Activity 2.xml. Return to the first XML page and copy the entire code except the first line. Now go to the second XML page and paste it like this. Don't delete the first line. Here, rename the text and remove the button. Now I am defining a button variable. The variable btn needs the view of that button we just created. Find view by ID is a method that finds the view from the layout resource file that are attached with current activity. R is a class in Android that are having the IDs of all the views. Now type the codes. An intent is a simple message object that is used to communicate between Android components such as activities, content providers, broadcast receivers and services. Intents are also used to transfer data between activities. Intents are used generally for starting a new activity using Start Activity. Now running the code, hope it works. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload anything new.